This is little Miss Chinyere Chukwuka, who was given to her cousin and businesswoman Mrs. Chioma Onyema as house help by her father to live with them at Day in Abuja. Her body bears the mark of a badly assaulted child. Her neck, shoulder, and entire back have marks of torture and cuts. Her armpit was not spared as the wounds are still healing. Her lap also have marks of sharp long cuts, while both legs show signs of intensive flogging with hard objects. This is Mrs. Chioma Onyema, the lady who inflicted the injury on her. Speaking boldly, she alleged that Miss Chinyere, whom she took from the village, was touching sensitive parts of her daughter's body and teaching her bad things. What did she do that make you assault her like this?
Especially assault her.
She's always assaulting my baby. She's putting her hand in her bum bum, and she assaulted a lot of things.
Little Chinyere denies the allegation, saying she only touched the child while cleaning her whenever she defecates. She said the reason for the main beating, which left severe marks all over her body, was because she defecates on a cellophane bag and forgets it in the toilet. According to her, she was barred from defecating in toilets inside the house as she was constrained to only use the visitor's toilet, which is located outside the entrance door. She explained that one night, because of the fear of darkness, she had to defecate on a cellophane bag and hide it in the toilet till the morning. Unfortunately for her, she was not quick to dispose it before Mrs. Chioma discovered.
I don't know what I will do. I'm going to carry it and put our poo inside there and lap it and keep in our toilet. Tomorrow I'll go and throw it away and I forget it. I don't throw it away.
Mrs. Chioma's husband, who identified himself as a lawyer, admitted that his wife erred in law, saying he was not aware that little Chinyere was being assaulted. As a lawyer, is it right by law for what your wife has done?
No, it's not right.
Why do you not reprimand her? Why do you not caution her?
I wasn't aware. All these things were unknown to my consent, because whenever I come back, I will not notice any feelings from this little girl.
FCT Acting Secretary for Social Development Secretariat, Hajia Umar Sefia, Director Gender Agnes Hart, and President of the National Council for Women's Society, FCT Chapter, Hajia Adiza Umar, all condemned the action.
Husband of the woman knows that it's an international offense.
If I will talk as a mother and as a president of Women Council, what she has done is very, very wrong. And we have to make one a scapegoat.
In the FCT, like she said, we've set up traps everywhere to catch those people who want to molest children. It's forbidden. Even God frowns at it seriously.
Hajia Sefia Umar thereafter ordered that police be called in to apprehend the businesswoman, promising to take the matter to court. It was at this point it dawned on Mrs. Chioma that she would likely be going behind bars. Her boldness and grandstanding immediately disappeared. She broke down in tears, begging everyone, even the little girl she assaulted.
We're going to arrange her before a court. Definitely, I've already sent the police to come and go with her. So the best thing we will do now is taking them up and arranging her before the court tomorrow. That's what we are doing.
I'm so sorry for whatever I've done to my sister. I'm so sorry. Please, sir. I'm so sorry. I apologize to every person here. I'm so sorry, sir. Please, ma. I'm so sorry. Please, I want her to. She's the only. I want her to be a better person.
It's the only girl in her family.
I'm not doing this thing to her. I just want her to change. She's the only one remaining. I don't want her to make the mistakes I made. I don't want her to go useless.
The assault on little Chinyere obviously is a lesson for parents giving out their children to those they believe are close relatives. And for those persons who are having other people's children in care, it is hard for them to treat them as their own children as well. From SDS, I'm Ikaro Atta, ITV News, Abuja.